What's up, guys? All right, in the first lesson, first of all, I'm going to explain to you what a sales funnel actually is and how ClickFunnels works in order to actually build out a sales funnel. Now, let's get something straight, right? If you want to build a sales funnel, you probably want to make money. So I'm going to explain to you not only how to use ClickFunnels, kind of your crash course in using it, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use ClickFunnels to make money. You don't need a product or a service. You literally can start making money almost immediately as long as you follow along with the specific steps that I'm going to lay out here in this crash course. All right, guys. So I hope that you pay careful attention and that you take notes. And first of all, I want to explain what the sales funnel itself is so that you understand and you have some sort of idea of kind of how it works. Now, a sales funnel is basically a marketing message in a very specific format. It is not like a website. When you go to a website, you have a ton of different options of what you want to do when you land there, right? You might have an about page, a ton of product pages, you might have some services, and you might go into a contact page. A sales funnel is a very specific route, usually one predefined route that you go down. You send people down a specific route. It's kind of like having your best salesperson walk the customer through step by step and give him or her exactly what they need. It's a pretty unique and a very specialized way to make sales, and it works very well. So the simple truth is, number one, ClickFunnels is crushing it. And number two, sales funnels can be used to make money no matter what industry you're in. It doesn't matter what you're doing. And it doesn't matter the type of funnel that you want to use to sell whatever it is that you're doing. So one specific kind of example of a sales funnel page is like they show here on the ClickFunnels homepage. And the first one would kind of be like the landing page. You've probably seen a ton of landing pages before. It's where you go there and somebody gives you a freebie, right? It's like they give you what's called bait, right? There's something on the page that you want, right, to hopefully help solve a problem. And in order to get that, you have to exchange your email address. When that happens, you're added to an email list, and then you can begin communicating with the prospect, right? So you probably get communications from those people, etc. The next page is a sales page. So usually when you give something away, doesn't matter, you give something away for free, the next page you want to try to sell them something. This is what a sales funnel is, right? But a sales funnel right after you give them something should be a very low ticket offer, because often people are not going to take the higher ticket offers unless they know you, unless it's hot traffic. Kind of get into the very basics of the types of traffic that there is. But basically, what's happening here is you're going to try to sell something and build some value, collect money, right? Then you can do things like one-click upsells, you can do downsells, and these types of things, right? To kind of take people through a direct path to whatever it is that you're selling. So however you heard about sales funnels and ClickFunnels, you ended up here, which I'm really grateful for. So I'm going to show you the specific strategies and techniques that you can use. And at the end of this crash course, I'm going to give you the specific funnels that we actually build. I'm going to share them with you. And the first thing is first, I want you to make sure that you download the resources in this section and make sure that you follow along with the resources, right? You're going to need a ClickFunnels trial, and it's free for 14 days. So just click the link that's inside of the resources and you can get started. There's some other things that you're going to need, but I'm going to walk you through specifically all the things that are really important right now. But don't worry, don't think like you're going to have to spend a ton of money. You don't have to do that. You can get started literally for bare bones, bare minimum. I'm going to walk you through exactly what it takes, okay? And I'm also going to show you, even if you don't have a product or a service to sell, I'm going to show you how to sell someone else's. And then I'm also going to share with you kind of a few gold nuggets on how to get existing products that could be your own and to literally do it for pennies on the dollar, okay? So basically, ClickFunnels or sales funnels are used to generate leads. They're used to sell products, make sales. They're also used to create webinars, right? To create memberships, to do all sorts of different things, right? So there are so many people using sales funnels, and they use ClickFunnels in order to build those sales funnels. So this is kind of just an introduction to what a sales funnel is and kind of how it works. And in the next lesson, we're going to be walking through kind of configuration of your funnel for the first time, your ClickFunnels account. And I'm going to show you exactly what to do with a brand new ClickFunnels account. All right, so let's get on to the next one.